welcome back to my channel. So this is the next video from the series Crochet for Absolute Beginners, and today we are going to learn how to make a magic circle or a magic ring in the easiest way. So this actually helps us to create a circle in which there are no gaps. So it's a very tight circle which has no hole in the middle of it. Now we are going to place a yarn on two of our fingers, and we are going to turn our fingers, and we are going to grab that yarn and make an X on our fingers like so. Now we'll put a hook from beneath the first strand, and we're going to grab the second strand of that X and pull it, and we're going to turn our hook. Now we'll again grab the second strand, and we are going to yarn over and pull through the loop. So here we have made the slip knot, and here is our magic circle. So when we grab the yarn and pull it through the loop, it actually makes a slip knot of our magic circle. And now we are going to make double crochets in this magic circle. So for that we are going to chain 2, and this chain 2 is going to be counted as our first double crochet. Now we are going to make 11 such double crochets in that magic circle or in that ring. So we'll make these double crochets as usual. If you don't know how to make a double crochet, I have a separate video for the same in which I have explained all the basic stitches for beginners. So I'll give the link in the description box below of the series Crochet for Absolute Beginners. So this is how you make double crochets. You yarn over the hook, insert a hook in the ring and pull through, then you yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and you yarn over, pull through the remaining 2 loops. So we are going to make 11 such double crochets in that ring. This is actually very helpful also in amigurumi. So in total we'll have 12 double crochet including that chain 3. And now what we are going to do is, we see that single strand of yarn, we are just going to grab it and pull it. So this is going to just pull together all our stitches in one circle. And this is how you create a flawless circle without any gaps or any holes in between. And now we are just going to make a slip stitch in the chain 3, like the topmost chain. So this is how your circle of double crochets should look like when you've done it around a magic ring. Thanks for watching my video. If you do like my video, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Happy crocheting!